Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Wells Fargo app crashing or going to a black screen every time you try to take a photo of a check or for mobile deposit? This is one of the most reported Wells Fargo bugs, and the fix is in your iPhone settings. First, go to Settings, scroll down to the app list to find Wells Fargo or just search for it. Tap on it, you'll see a list of permissions that Wells Fargo has been granted on your iPhone. Tap Camera. Make sure it is set to Allow. If it asks next time or never, change it to Allow right now. Without camera permission, the Wells Fargo app crashes the instant it tries to open the camera for check deposit. After fixing that, tap the back arrow and also tap Microphone on the same permissions page and make sure it is set to Allow as well. Now force close the Wells Fargo app from a recent app by swiping it up and away. Then reopen the app and try check deposit again. If it still shows a black screen or crashes, go to the settings again. Then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage. Scroll down, find Wells Fargo and then tap Offload the app. Once offloaded, go to the App Store, search for Wells Fargo and install the app again from the App Store freshly. This clears any corrupted camera module data from a bad update. So all you gotta do is go to Settings, find Wells Fargo, camera permissions set to Allow, force close and reopen, offload and reinstall if it's crashing. If it's